Hello guys, you can see that this iPhone is locked due to forgotten passcode. Okay, so if you have any type of iPhone model like iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 8, 7, 6, so don't worry at all. In this video you can learn how to reset your iPhone's passcode with your fingerprint sensor and your face ID. So hey guys, welcome again in my new video. As show you thumbnails, today's video is fully dedicated to unlock iPhone's passcode with your fingerprints and your face ID. So if you are watching this video, then I am sure your iPhone is locked due to your forgotten passcode. So don't worry at all. Watch this video properly till the end and your iPhone will be unlocked today. So, but further in this video, I will also tell you that how can you reset your passcode without any computer, without any software and without any data loss. So watch this video properly firstly till the end. So before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your iPhone should not battery charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your iPhone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge your iPhone at least 50%, or else you can charge your iPhone at the time of using this method to unlock your iPhone. Okay. So one of the most important thing that I would like to tell you that this method is updated every month. So if your iPhone is logged to unlocked, then please like our YouTube channel and subscribe our YouTube channel also. And for this gives us a lots of encouragement to make the next amazing video to help you further. I have a service center and I have totally 13 years experience of service center. So I am able to unlock any iPhone's model. So watch this video properly, step by step. So unlock your iPhone's passcode. So watch this video properly till the end, and only then you will be able to unlock your iPhone by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your logged iPhone. So now you have to use the offline mode firstly in your iPhone model, and in this offline mode, first of all you have to click on emergency call option, and when your emergency call option comes in your iPhone model, I am telling you a secret code to close all your background running application, and this is very necessary to reset your passcode. Okay, and this is the offline code hash star, and you have to enter this code to your iPhone. Okay, after dialing this code, you have to call this code for once to close all your background running application. So I'm gonna to call this. After this, the number has been disappeared from your iPhone's mobile screen. So don't worry. Click the cancel button here and press the home button to unlock and enter any randomly password here 112233. Okay. After that, click the cancel button here and trying to open camera app, and you can see that this is the camera app, and you have to shoot a short video here, minimum for 7 seconds. I am going to shoot a video for exact 7 seconds and stop this video to exact on 7 seconds. After this, you have to you have to try this open the recorded video and stop this video to eject on, as you saw this. After that, you have to send this video clip to anyone. You have to try this step. After that, you can see that they are asking for enter passcode. So you have to enter any passcode here, random passcode here, and after that you have to cancel this option and press the home click the delete option here and delete this video. After this, you have to press the volume button plus power button here continuously. And if you have a lower version of iPhone which have this home button here, you have to press the power button and home button here, and after a few seconds you have to release the home button here but press power button here. After a few seconds you have to release the power button here, and after that wait for 10 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. After that you have to press the power button here. You have to wait for few seconds until a new page comes in your mobile screen, and you can see that, my friends, this iPhone is completely resetted but asking for passcode. So don't worry, you have to click the emergency call option here, and after that you have to enter the activation of default password code here, and this code is *# 000000, and after that click a star button here and press these options and #. Okay, you have to take a screenshot for this page and enter your iPhone screen and enter in your iPhone screen. After that you have to call this code for once. After completing this, the number has been disappeared from your iPhone's screen. So don't worry at all. Watch this video properly and follow all the steps to unlock your passcode. After that, you have to click on the medical info here. After that, you have to wait for few seconds and minimum 5 seconds here. 3, 4, 5 and click done here. And after that, you have to cancel this operation. After that, press home button to unlock and enter default password, and default password is 000000, and you can see that, my friends, your iPhone is completely unlocked and there is no any photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. So you can also unlock your iPhone at your home. If your iPhone is unlocked and there is no any photo, video and data loss of your smartphone, in this way you can unlock any iPhone model at your home. If your iPhone is still not unlocked from this method, in that case you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 5 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.